you've ever seen before. It's something you see every day in LA. Diverse collection, mirror reflection, crowd connection, redirection of our energy. Living up to the name, never give up in the game. Everything's changed, but remains the same. Share the joy and the pain, blood in my veins. Unconditional love is shown. Messages pass through the microphone to those who know. Keep spreading the word to make the conscious choice. We can't do it alone.
Search the world over, and they were right over my shoulder, calling me to connect the solar lunar activity room to grow. Tune up, then on with the show. Another epical, eclectic, sold out event of the second. Cause in a flash it's gone, and we're back to the studio to write another song. Each page will get us to the next day and age of one love, where whatever comes up we'll trust to fill us to the crown with that sound that the lounge lizards can't resist to bounce to.
Let the games begin.
1, 2, 3. This is warfare. We score fair. Victorious visions.
Wonder under thunder and fog, visions from under the underdog. My fans dress better than me. I'm happy to be a man, and it's better to be the next NWA. My name is Tumex, I'm the man that socks Andrew WK. Crash the party with smarter words, smash like armies of martyrs were. Infinite B-boys will finalize, implement Beatles with vinyl eyes. Lost in the kiss of a Los Angeles wish, washed in the mist of Los Angeles.
California is where we've been, high-cated. I remember when these public schools were gated. Every day is our birthday, no belated. Receive a compliment, don't be jaded. We all speak of the same valley, slaying Cali for a healthy tally of talent received and rally. The world is our town, rock the language barrier. A Long Beach all-pro like Mark Carrier. Lift man, not oppress, a universal issue we must address. It's bigger than a corporate sponsored conference. To be a part of change is better than pocket change. Bless.
Final grind, bring in the kindness, approach and feel every step. New avenues freshly tarred, rooted underdogs, grown man scarred. Forwards, move forward, love, look back and smile. Glad y'all thought of us, wait, been a while. Love it when they say I can't, why? Love the way I can't.